Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Eli at Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 here in Yorkshire. Look at this stunning, enhanced by Kingsbridge Defender 90 that we've just completed. It is a superb choice of 4x4 that looks, in my opinion, like a great big chunky Tonka toy, and I love it. I think they look absolutely fantastic. I love Defenders. I've got a lot of them. Another one there. Yeah, we've got several outside as well. But anyway, let's go on about this particular one. So this is 2021, so it's this year, Defender 90. This is the latest 3-litre straight six. Sorry, just catching my breath there. 3-litre straight six engine. This is the X Dynamic SE 250, so it's 250 brake horsepower, which is a lovely balance of economy and performance, because they do it in 200, 250, 300. So this is just the middle ground. It's perfect, and gives you the best of both worlds. So the 90 all in black is one of my favourites. So we do the full enhanced by Kingsbridge specification. This car's done just under 7,000 miles, just around 7,000 miles. We add on the great big extended wheel arches, but not just in plastic, because that's what they come as standard, you see there. So if you want them in black plastic, you can put them on, but then what we do is we get them all sanded and painted gloss black, and then we get all this done in gloss black as well. So all this stuff, the middle grille, the lettering, all the lower end there, all those grills, everything is done in gloss black. We put full extended privacy glass right the way to the front, black side steps, the great big classic mud flaps with the Land Rover. These are genuine, of course. We put the full enhanced by Kingsbridge branding on it. This one's got the detachable towbar option and the rear tow eye hooks, and again we finish all that in gloss black, and then we put the gloss black wheel cover on as well over the spare. Then we put these great big 20-inch 5 split spoke wheels with the Yokohama Geolander tyres on them. These are the all-terrain, all-season tyres that look great and very aggressive and mean, but still give great performance on the road. All the brake calipers then finished in red. It looks fantastic. There you go, the Kingsbridge branding there, X Dynamic badge on the side there. And then we also put the black roof rails on, the carbon fibre roof light pod, which is great if you're going down a country road, or if you are doing some off-roading on some pitch black lanes. You've got a little remote that comes with it. You can just flick them on or off. So you've got 2 keys here, and you've also got the light remote, so you can flick those on for full twin LED lighting power. And that's finished in genuine carbon fibre. And then we also get the spoiler on the back there as well. It looks altogether a really nice chunky example that stands out from the standard Defenders. So you've also got your tailgate here. Let's just show you. So now Land Rover, compared to the old Defenders, they put a nice big gas damper on the door, so it's really easy to open and close. You've got Defender branding there and additional door pockets. You've got the boot area here with this little sort of cover, and then you've got loads of storage here as well. You can push down these seats if you want, and have all this as a loading area. This one's got the panoramic roof option, which gives the cabin loads of light, as well as those skylights as per the original Defender. Moving on, you've also got keyless entry and exit, so you just need to press that to lock it, unlock it, as long as the key's in your pocket. It's also got the lane departure or blind spot assist, so if a car's in your blind spot, it'll flash up orange in the wing mirrors. You've got these lovely exposed nuts or bolts, if you will, and then of course you've got the memory settings. You've got the Meridian sound system here as well, with 3 speakers in each door. The memory settings there for your electric seats. Both seats are heated as well. And then you've got the Defender sill plates there, the mats are all underneath here. This is all finished in easy to hose down plastic, the whole interior, so it's very easy to clean. And then you've got some carpet mats on top of that. You've also got the Defender logo then embossed into this aluminium plate, but then you've also got these padded areas. So although you've got these lovely grab handles, you can still use it very easily and not hurt yourself if you bump it. You've got battery power there in the form of a USB socket. You've got the exposed bolts there as well, and this lovely sort of weave that matches the seat's edges. And then you've got leather here. These are powered, so seats can go back and forwards electronically. Headrests are of course adjustable. Can't do it with one hand. And then you've got a great big storage bin there, and loads of space here. That great big panoramic roof. So let's move round. Just look at that thing. What a machine. I love them. Hence why I buy so many of them. And people, you guys love them. Apparently it's Land Rover's best selling car ever. Massive waiting list for these. Again, driver's side, you've got the keyless entry exit. You've also got keyless start because it's a push button. Much the same as the other side. Power seats, memory settings. You've got power folding wing mirrors, electric windows, lock and unlock all your speakers there. Great big door pockets there for additional storage. You've got more storage here. You've got the power handbrake there. This one's got with it being the SE, it's got the electric steering column as well that you can use. And this one's also got the option of the clear sight rear view mirror, so it's a camera at the back, so even if you're towing even if you've got loads of stuff at the back and it's full of boot and you can't see anything behind you, you can just flick it to the camera mode and then you can see at the back, which is very clever, and you can adjust the picture there. You've got some sunglasses holders here, and then you've got the opening of the sunroof here as well as the blind. This great big center console, loads of storage in there, and then you've got additional storage here and here with the cup holders. And Land Rover cleverly designed this so that this goes whichever way you want it, so you can actually put it wherever you want. It's very clever. Yeah, all these neat little touches. USB socket and USB-C socket, and 12 volt socket there. And again, you've got all this storage down here and storage behind the screen. Start stop button here. You've got the low range and climate control, heated front and rear screens, etc. all there. Stop start on and off. On the steering wheel you've got your lane assist, which you can turn on or off, cruise control, speed limiter, and then this button obviously to control what you see on the screen here, and go through all these sort of sub menus, so you can do all sorts here via this button on the steering wheel. So for example, if you want to see any warnings, you could just flick through there. If you wanted to change the display, currently showing now, but you want to show something else, you can do. You've got your wipers here, and then your lights, they're automated here, so you just put them on auto and they'll come on and off automatically. You've also of course got your flashers there as well. Looking onto the main screen, so this is currently in the off-road mode, so you can see what's going on with the diffs, lock them, unlock them. You've got your wade sensing there. It's a proper 4x4, as you can imagine. You can choose whether you want grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, etc. The car will adapt accordingly, depending on what you need. You've got the main screen here, but you've also got then the camera button. There's a shortcut, so you can see the various different, you've got a full 360 view of the car, and then you've got a different mode for towing to make it easy to back stuff on, and then another one for off-road. So loads of different options there that are really useful. You've got the towing and trailers mode, so you can add whatever you're going to be towing there. Climate control, your heated seats, cameras I've shown you, the 4x4 mode we were just on before, vehicle dimensions, low traction launch, so obviously that would be great if the vehicle's in mud. Phone, media, you've got loads of different options you can play, including DAB radio, internet radio, etc. And then you've got even things like, your weather that can come on the screen as well. So really, as you can see, mostly cloudy, lovely. Really practical vehicle, but also looks great and drives superbly. It's comfortable and easy to drive, not like the old Defenders. You've got loads of room here between your leg and the door, not like the old Defender where you were crushed and squeezed. This is really nice and easy to drive. You've got a nice automatic, no need to bother with a manual box. But yeah, I love these. I think they're fantastic. Very easy to drive, nice light steering. Yeah, couldn't recommend them enough. So that's pretty much it. That's our Defender 90 Enhanced by Kingsbridge. I think they're fantastic. I'm sure you will too once you've driven one and seen it. If you fancy this particular model, we do offer numerous different finance packages as well as part exchange, and of course delivery. So if you want the car delivered to you, we can do. They are fantastic. They sell fantastically well as well. So if you want to reserve the car, simply call us, speak to one of the team. We can take a reservation deposit whilst we sort the finances out for you and give you pricing, part exchange, whatever you want. We can do that, no problem at all. That's it. That's our 2021 Defender 90 X Dynamic SE D250. Please give us a call if you'd like to reserve this car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more of our stock as it comes in, and we look forward to seeing you on the very next video. Thank you for watching. Good night.